Hello, this is Wayne Johnson with Pentaho. Today I want to show you an example of one of the new features in Pentaho Data Integration 4.2, which is part of the Pentaho BI Suite 4.0. We're going to go over Pentaho reporting output and also bursting and emailing those bursted reports to individual customers. So in this example here, we're taking customer information, customer numbers, and merging it with the customer emails. And then what we're going to do, and for this example, I'm going to go ahead and put a KTR up in a PDF doc giving instructions on how to modify this to work on your own system. In this example here, you can notice you're going to be able to put in your own email addresses there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to merge that data here with each other, and then pass it to some constants for the transformation. Once we pass it along, we're going to generate our report output name, which basically all we're doing is taking the customer number and adding it to the word invoice, so that when it gets saved in our file system, it's going to reflect the customer number. And we're going to take that and we're going to go ahead and send that to the report Pentaho reporting output, where we're going to where we are establishing what customer number we're going to generate that report for, and the output is PDF. And then once we generate those PDFs, we're gonna send that out as an email right here. To show you an example here, in our email system, we have no emails here. And in our file system, you'll see that it's empty as well. There's the invoice statement we're going to use to generate the report with the account number and email it out. So let's go back to Pentaho Data Integration and go ahead and run this transformation. And when we run this transformation, you'll notice that these files are going to be generated here, and there the files are starting to come in. So there's invoice for customer 148, 177, so on and so forth. And now if I go to my email application, you'll notice that I'm going to start getting them via email as well. So this is an example of how you can use Pentaho to take your reports and burst them either to a file system or to an email address, making the process of bursting out your reports much more easy and less complicated than it is today.